haven't cleaned my car in 2 months, so let's go clean it. Kind of already started, but here it is. Box full of signs. This is my folder of signs and recap form. I have 2 growlers for Scott's and one's mine, but now I have 2. I have 2 buckets. I do those fairly often recently, so I need to keep these in here. 2 ice buckets, my bag of sample cups that I lost and now I've just found. Half a box of White Claw sunglasses. I have to give my husband some credit. This is his bag and he has like tons of rags, and yeah, I'm taking 2 because this is good to have. Another tip from my husband, the bag liners for your trash bin. My water bottle that I keep forgetting. 2 Jameson hats, Jameson koozies, and I probably have 4 black tablecloths back here. 2 notebooks because I lost this one and I only had this one, and I like this one, but I don't want to use it for promos, you know? Okay, this is the finished product. I gotta get rid of that stuff now.